Hello everyone. If you understand English but cannot speak it fast, this video is for you. Your real problem is simple. That is why you get stuck, slow, and nervous. So today, I will train your mind to think directly in English. Not in 1 month. Not in 1 year. In just 7 days. Follow this plan exactly. You will see a clear change in your speaking. Let's start. Day 1. Name everything around you. Today your goal is simple. No grammar. No pressure. Just look around and name things in English. Example. This is a chair. This is a fan. This is my phone. I am sitting. I am holding a pen. Do this for 10 minutes, 3 times a day. Your brain will start connecting objects with English words. No translation. Day 2. Use I sentences. Now you will talk about yourself. Speak simple sentences. I am eating. I am walking. I am teaching. I am tired. I am happy. Do not think about perfect English. Focus on speed and flow. Practice in front of a mirror. Day 3. Build small sentences. Now connect words. I am eating rice. I am watching TV. I am going to college. I am talking to my friend. Speak slowly but clearly. Do this for 15 minutes. Now your brain starts forming ideas in English. Day 4. Think in questions. Now level up. Ask yourself questions in English. What am I doing? Where am I going? Why am I tired? What should I eat? Then answer them. I am studying. I am going to market. I am tired because I worked. This step is powerful. It builds real conversation skills. Day 5. Describe your day. Now speak longer. Morning to night. Example. I woke up at 8. I brushed my teeth. I had breakfast. I went to college. I met my friends. Speak for 2 to 3 minutes. If you forget a word, do not stop. Use simple words. Day 6. Think without stopping. Today no Urdu in your mind. Even if your English is broken, continue. Example. I go market. I buy things. I feel tired. It is okay. Fluency first. Accuracy later. Do this for 20 minutes. Day 7. Real life practice. Now use English in real life. Talk to a friend. Record your voice. Speak in front of camera. Topic example. My daily routine. My favorite teacher. Why I want to learn English. Speak for 3 to 5 minutes. Listen to your recording. Find mistakes. Improve. Golden rule for you. Do not translate. Do not stop. Do not fear mistakes. Your brain learns by doing, not by thinking. If you follow this plan for 7 days, you will notice one change. You will start thinking in English automatically. And once you think in English, speaking becomes easy. Start today. Not tomorrow. Comment day 1 when you begin. I will guide you. Allah Hafiz.